Hello, my name is Balkrishna and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video, we are going to solve question 4 of ICSE Computer Applications paper 2019. Okay. So the question 4 says, design a class named ShowRoom with the following description. Instance variable data members are string name to store the name of the customer, long mobile number to store the mobile number of the customer, double cost to store the cost of the item purchased, double disk to store the discount amount, double amount to store the amount to be paid after discount. Member methods are showroom, void input, void calculate, default constructor to initialize data members, void to input customer name, mobile number, cost to calculate discount of the cost purchased upon the following criteria. Okay. For less than equal to 10,000, discount is 5%. For more than 10,000, less than equal to 20,000, 10%. For more than 20,000, less than equal to 35,000, 15%. For more than 35,000, 20%. Display to display the customer name, mobile number, amount to be paid after discount. And write a main method to create an object of the class and call the above member methods. Okay, so I will first, because this paper is supposed to be done on a piece of pen and paper and you won't be getting an editor to compile and check. So I'm going to write this on a editor first, on simple text editor first, then I'm going to paste it into a Java file and check for the correctness. Okay, so class showroom, and whenever I code, whenever I solve programming questions or programming questions specifically for board examination papers, so I make sure that my class names, my method names, my instant member names are exactly same as given in the question. Okay, so you want to stay very close to the description given. So my name of the class is showroom as it is given, and then I have string name, long mobile number. Okay, so the private data members. Also it says each program should be written using variable descriptions with mnemonic codes. So mnemonic codes are basically writing the names of the variables for the purpose they are meant to be. So you cannot just write simply a is equals to some amount. Write the full word amount as the name of the variable, as the identifier. Okay, and then you can add variable descriptions in the end of the program. Okay, string name. Okay, so string name. Okay, so data members for the class should be made private. If you're not making it private, I didn't think it should be an error because you're just told to write string name. But I always suggest that you make data members for all data members instance variables of a class private in the examination solution, and the member methods and the constructor as public. Okay, so private string name, private long mobile number, and you see my name of the mobile number variable is exactly the same as given in the question. Okay, private double cost, private double discount, right? So this for discount, private double amount. Okay, private double amount. Okay, so these are the private data members. Then I have the member methods. Okay, the public member methods. Okay, I always suggest that you make the constructor and the member methods as public. So public showroom. Okay, so this sets all the variables to the default values. So you can set name to blank, mobile number to -1, cost to 0, discount to 0, and amount to 0. You can make sure the name of the variables exactly same as you have written in the data instance member names. Okay, the methods. Okay, so the first method is to void input customer name, mobile number, cost. Okay, input, so public, making the member methods as public. Okay, so it inputs customer name, mobile number, and cost. So just because there are no parameters given in this method input, so I'm going to assume and rightly assume that you'll have to open some scanner object or a buffer reader object to read from the input from the user here, from system.in here. Okay, so import java.util.scanner, util.scanner. Okay, and scanner is equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, and ask for the name first. So system dot out dot print, enter name. Okay, so name is equals to scanner dot next line. Okay, because name can be multiple separate words, so if you use next for reading the name, you might just be reading only a single word, right? So I'm using next line to read the entire line. Okay, ask for the mobile number. So system dot out dot print, enter mobile number. Okay, and I'm using system.out.print because I want to enter within the same line, so I don't want to change the line after this prompt is printed. Okay, so you can do println as well, it does not make any difference. Then I have mobile number is equals to long dot parse long. Okay, scanner dot next line. So reading the input for the mobile number as a string and converting into a long. Okay, and it reads the cost as well. Okay, oops, ask for the cost. So system.out.print, enter cost. Okay, so cost is equals to scanner or double dot parse double scanner dot next line. So I guess this is all this method is supposed to do. To customer name, enter customer name, you can add, enter mobile number and enter cost, just making sure that I did not commit any syntactical or silly mistakes. System.out.print. Okay, and mobile number is the same as, okay, the variable name, and cost is the same as the variable name for the data member. Okay, so now close the scanner because we don't need it anymore. Okay, scanner, so scanner dot close, or you can skip this part if you want. Okay, I always tend to close the scanner. Okay, then there's a method to calculate. So I make this method public, return type is void. Okay, and calculate. So you see again here my name of the methods is exactly the same as given in the question. So it's input exactly the way it is, calculate exactly the way it is. Okay, to calculate discount on the cost of purchase item based on following criteria. Okay, so setting the discount to 0. So this is equals to 0. This is the name of the data member we have. Okay, so if cost is less than or equal to, okay, 10,000, okay, this is equals to 5% of the cost. Okay, so 0.05 into cost. Else if cost is less than equal to 20,000. Okay, great. So when the control comes here, this control is for greater than 10,000 and is an equal to 20,000. So in that case it is 10%. So this is equals to 0.1 into cost. Else if cost is less than equal to 35,000, we have this is equals to 0.15% into cost. Else, so this else case will be when cost is greater than 35,000. So in that case discount is 0.2 into cost. So discount is calculated correctly, so amount is to be calculated. Calculate the amount. So amount is equals to cost minus discount. Okay, okay, and display customer name, mobile number, amount to be paid. Okay, so the display method. Okay, so public void display. Okay, and print the name mobile number I want to be paid. Name, okay, system dot out dot println customer name plus name, okay, system dot out dot println customer mobile number plus mobile number, system dot out dot println, okay, amount to be paid, okay, plus, or you can add something like rupees or INR. So I'm going to add INR, and it has to be plus amount because that is the amount to be paid after the discount. Okay, so my display is done as well. So I don't think there's anything else that you need to do here, or create a main object, create a main. Okay, so class ICSE 2019 question 4. Okay, the main public static void main string args create an of showroom room. So showroom sr is equals to new showroom. Make sure that the spelling mistake is, there's no spelling mistake here. Okay, showroom, and call input sr dot input, call calculate sr dot calculate, and call display, so sr dot display. Okay, so this is my code, and let me just quickly check it so I don't have any compilation errors. Private string name, private long mobile, private double cost, private double disk, private double amount. Okay, name of private is spell the name is goes to this mobile number minus one cost discount amount to 0. Public void input, name of the method same as given in the question. Enter customer name. Okay, name of scanner dot print, system dot out dot print, mobile number, one long dot parse long, scanner dot next line, system dot out dot print, enter cost, cost dot parse double, next line, scanner dot close, cost less than the call, else if cost. Okay, model which cost minus discount, click void display. Okay, customer name, mobile number I want to be paid. Okay, then this public static void main args showroom. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this into a Java file, save and compile. So Java C ICSE question 4.java. Oh, no errors, I'm glad. So name of the main class is ICSE question 4. Enter customer name is Balkrishna. Enter mobile number is, I won't tell you my mobile number. Okay, and cost is maybe 23,000. So customer name is this Balkrishna, mobile number is okay. So for 23,000, let me take a simpler amount so easier to calculate. So BK, okay, and cost is say maybe 25,000. Okay, so for 25,000, so you see when you're parsing it as a long, so it leaves out the extra 0. Okay, but you don't usually put in extra 0, so it does not matter much here. So for 25,000 your discount should be, so discount is should be 15%. So 2500 plus 1250, yeah, it's correct. And similarly taking another case, BK, my mobile number is 9898, and enter cost is say 8,000. So discount is only 5%. So 10% is 800 and 5% is 400. So 400, 8,000 minus 400 is 7,600. Then I have another case. So my cost is maybe equal to 10,000. So again removing 5%, which is 500. again cost is 15,000. Oh, my name is 15,000 here. Okay, so it is 10%, 1500 of 15,000, and I'll then enter a cost greater than 35,000, say 40,000. Discount is 8,000, 20% is 8,000, so 32,000. So this was the solution. I hope this was helpful. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.